Imagine I have this device, okay? I have this lab. You can use any lab. Here if I go to this switch, okay, if I go to this switch, if I go here and if I write here like example, if I write show CDP neighbor, press enter, I am getting the neighbor information. As I told you, if I want to get the neighbor information, why we are using the CDP? CDP is a Cisco proprietary protocol. We are going to get the directly connected neighbor information. If we write show CDP neighbor, we will get the directly connected neighbor information. Okay, we will write show CDP neighbor to get the directly connected neighbor information. I am putting that command here in this switch. So this switch is saying to me, I have two neighbor who is directly connected to me. One is R1, another is this one. Whatever the name we configure here, that name will come here. So one is the R1 because here we configure the name as a R1 for this one. So they are saying that one I have one is a R1, another is a attacker. And this is the local interface, my local interface. This switch local interface F0 by 1 is connected to R1. So this is a R1. My local interface means this switch local interface is F0 by 1. You can see switch is saying my interface F0 by 1 is connected to R1. So switch interface F0 by 1 connected to R1. And R1, what is the R1 interface? This one, F0 by 1. So this R1 interface is F0 by 1. And this is a hold on time. Like we told, we have 180 seconds. They will go down. After that, if we send again the packet, what we can say, they will send the, and here if you see the capability means what is that one? This is router. And what is a platform? You will get that information also. So if you see R1 is connected where? R1 is connected to switch interface F0 by 1. And if you see this attacker PC is connected to F0 by 4. Switch interface F0 by 4 here you can see. And this attacker is having which interface, which is connected to switch F0 by 0. So we will get this information. Example, if you join any company, if you join any new organization, your manager will give you the high level design, low level design documents. There will be some PDF file or maybe some hard copy they will give you. They will say that this is a high level design or this is a low level design. Means you will have the network layout, how your network is connected in the company, how the routers are connected, whatever the IP address we have, wherever you have the cable is connected, that all information will be present. But that is not up to date. Maybe after that we do some changes, but no one update that one. So your manager will give you that layout and he will say this is our network. You can use the telnet or SSH and use this CDP protocol. With that one you will get the information about the neighbor. So you will write this command show CDP neighbor and you will draw. How you will draw? If they ask you to draw the topology, you will say I am the switch and this is my port F0 by 1 and I have another. Okay, here we can say another one is a F0 by 4. I have two port F0 by 1, F0 by 4 and we can say F0 by 1 is connected to R1. F0 by 1. You can see here as they are mentioning here, this is the switch. He is having two interface, so I draw this two interface here. And this port is connected to R1, so I connect R1, and this port is connected to attacker, so I will connect here, I will write attacker. Okay, and then what we can say, this one is R1, this is attacker we can say, and this is the R1 port. So here I can put this port whatever we have, F0 by 1, and here attacker I can put F0 by 0. Clear? By seeing this one I can draw the topology. You understand or any confusion here? You are with me? Or let me take the simple topology, not this one. If I take the simple, what I will do here, imagine I have one switch like this. It is connected to another switch. It is connected like this, and it will connect here, and it will connect from here to here, but you don't know how they are connected. Okay, you don't know how these are connected, just you have the access here. You will log in with the telnet or SSH, and you need to check where it is connected with the help of this protocol CDP. So here what you will do, you will write here, example, I will do some basic configuration. I will write here switch 1, switch 2, this is switch 3, and here I will do the basic configuration. Just I will do the basic configuration like enable config T. I can change the name as a switch 1, and I will assign the IP address to the VLAN 1. This one you know, right? What I am doing here, this is a basic thing you already know. Just I am changing the name and I am assigning the IP address to the switch under the VLAN. You have any doubt here what I done till now? So I will do here also. Enable config T. I will change the name of the switch. Then I will write interface VLAN 1. I will write here IP address. I am giving 192.168.1.2.255.255.255.0. I will write no shut, and then I will go here. I will put here enable config T, host name as W3, and I can write interface VLAN 1, IP address 192.168.1.3, give space 255.255.255.0, and I will write no shut. Okay, and I can put here this one as like in switch 1 I configure IP 192.168.1.1/24. In switch 2 I configure the IP 192.168.1.2/24. In switch 3 I configure 192.168.1.3/24. Now imagine you don't have this topology, just they give you like this, okay, or they give you computer is connected here, and let me do the telnet also. You know how to configure the telnet, right? I will do telnet enable secret ABC line VT